As you can see, it's just past 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday the 6th of January. Just about to defrost the car a bit. It's covered in snow. Looks like my neighbours have been out this morning. It's snowed pretty heavy overnight. Kind of reminds me a bit of David's farm on YouTube. It's a 1.7 litre turbo diesel Isuzu engined Vauxhall Astra. Showing half a degree on the temperature gauge. There we go. Flashing at me. Give it a preheat and another one, and it should start first time. There we go. First time. I've just dropped my spare set of keys underneath the car somewhere down there, so I'm going to go and find them now and leave that to warm up while I scrape some more snow off it. Somebody else this morning arriving. I got to go to work in about 20 minutes. I'll leave that to defrost. As David would do. Sweet. There we go. She's been running happily for the last 5 or so minutes, 10 minutes, and we've got a little bit of steam coming out the exhaust. Not that you can probably see it very well. There we have the Isuzu turbo diesel engine running sweet as a nut. Right, now that I've got it all cleared of snow, I'm going to go to work. There we go. Let's see if we can move now. I'm not stuck in. Here we are sitting inside it. The heater's been on, so it's a bit warmer in there at least. Just put it in gear. Can't see it. Let's see if we can get over the snowdrift. There we go. There's moving. It's not moving. It's stuck. Oh, there we go. A little bit of movement. Just got to be careful here and head to work. See you guys later.